a few weeks ago, well, I mean, just generally, I've been, just sort of doing research. Doing research. We've been doing our own research. We've been researching. I'm sorry. I've been doing my research about how to make a YouTube channel that doesn't suck. And, honestly, I'm not making this channel necessarily to impress people. I'm making it because it's fun to make. Anyway, the thing that the research was telling me was, make sure that you're putting out the highest quality video that you can. And sure, there's a ton of merit to that idea. We put out a full, fleshed out YouTube style YouTube video. People like that kind of stuff. Totally get it. And then people also tell you, if you want your channel to be successful, you have to feed the algorithm. You have to post regularly. And so, I think that a lot of individual, I really hate to use this term, content makers, but a lot of people who make videos that go on the internets, they get caught in this conflict where it's like, well, I have to produce something quickly, but I need to be quote, adding value. Let's get those good quotes in there. Adding value. But what does that mean? I think from time to time making a shit video is what YouTube is all about. Shit videos are the grease that makes the wheels go on this whole endeavor. So, last few videos have been kind of shit. This one will probably be kind of shit. Doing this whole vlog thing. One of the things that I'm curious about, I have these original Star Wars models that I won in an auction a while back, and honestly, I'm just really nervous about them. I feel like I probably shouldn't have them. I feel the fanboy hate, because most of these have unpunctured plastic. Here, hang on a second, I'll go grab them. Yeah, so I got these three, and I don't know if I've actually shown these on camera yet, but so we have an original AT-AT. We have it's Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. I'll take it out of the plastic in a second here. And oh shit, I forgot about this. We have I'm sorry, I guess it's the Interceptor TIE Fighter? Yeah. And then this is Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. And then I have this Millennium Falcon here. Hold on, wait, this is crazy. Here, if I can do this better. So, look at that. That's over 18 inches long. That's what she said. Yeah, so this is sealed up, not completely. It's been opened before, but as far as I can tell, we're not really missing any pieces here. I'm not going to completely bust this open yet. But so we got this fella, which I think no matter what, I'm probably going to hang on to that. And and that's the funny thing is that I'm not a child of the 80s. I am a child of the 80s, but I'm not completely insane about Star Wars paraphernalia. Although I do have a place in my heart for it. I think the point that I'm at, though, is that I'm generally afraid to harm these. I'm afraid about the state of the plastic on the inside, and I say to myself, well, if you want a TIE Fighter model, or you want a Millennium Falcon model, you might as well just go buy a new one instead of messing with these. This one, Jesus, this one is still wrapped in its original plastic. Right? You guys all love that stuff, right? It's wrapped in the original plastic. I don't know. Am I the guy that's supposed to open this? I feel like maybe no. Maybe no. Maybe this needs to go back on an auction site. Maybe one of you wants it. You can DM me. Make me an offer on these. I don't know. Let's take a look here. I don't know. Maybe you guys tell me. You tell me what I should do with this.
Stay tuned until the end for a special Star Wars model offer.
This one has clearly been opened before, the TIE Interceptor. So yeah, both of these have been opened. Here, we'll crack this open for you. So you can see that. See, now we've got still sealed in plastic. Hasn't even been opened there. Anyway, I don't know. What do I do? I'm a woodworker. I love to put together models. I'm excited about doing the 2001 models that I have. But I don't know. This may just be a boondoggle here. I may be wasting something. This is a
golden opportunity.
Yeah, I don't know. Can't really see shit, can you? There we go. We gotta focus that whole time. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah. So, I don't know. Maybe you guys need to tell me. What do I do? What do you want me to do with these? Do you want me to put them together? Do you want me to piss off the Star Wars community and open these guys up and assemble them? Does somebody want this? I don't know. You guys tell me. We'll get back to woodworking here. You tell me what you think. I don't know.